You have dreams, big ideas, and you'll finally have time to do them. You're not stopping, you're starting something new. We provide advice for people like you. We know retirement is a lifestyle change, so we'll show you how to manage the assets you've saved over the years. Our reputation is built on working with people who want to make the most out of their lives at every age. We'll help you clarify and prioritize your financial goals. We'll quantify where you are now, define where you want to be and when. Then, based on our knowledge and experience, we'll offer recommendations to help you get there. We'll provide you with your own personal financial website. Here you can see everything you own, all in one place. A private and secure location where your data is consolidated into one clear picture of you. Your personal website makes getting organized simple. It's easy to connect with all your accounts. As the markets change throughout the day, your balances recalculate to keep you up to date. To stay on track, you can create a budget, view your spending habits, monitor cash flow, and see your bottom line at any time. Interactive workshops show you how your investment and spending decisions today can impact lifetime cash flow, affect your retirement, and influence your financial goals. You can even collaborate with us online in real time. There's a digital vault where all your important documents can be stored for safekeeping and accessed from anywhere. We provide you with up-to-date data so you can evaluate your options. And with a click, print out reports to see your complete financial picture. You've built your nest egg over time. You've earned the right to enjoy the rewards of your life's efforts. Let us show you how. That's what we do, and we do it well.